Crack an egg into a can of corn. This crazy combination will stay in your home for a long time. Simple, quick, and absolutely delicious. Start by draining the corn. Put it into a bowl and crack in 1 egg. Season with salt and pepper to bring out its sweet, corny flavor. Now add 1/3 of a cup of cornstarch. Mix thoroughly with a spoon so that each kernel is lightly coated. Heat a bit of olive oil in a pan. Add the corn mixture and flatten it to form the shape of a pancake. Now it's time for cheese. Grate about 30 grams and sprinkle it over the corn. The cheese gives the whole thing a unique flavor, crispiness on the outside, and an incredibly gooey texture inside. Fry for about 5 minutes over medium heat with the lid on. The bottom will be golden, and the cheese will melt beautifully. Transfer everything to a plate. Finally chop some chives. Their strong, slightly sharp taste will balance the tenderness of the corn. Sprinkle over the finished snack and cut into smaller pieces. This is a snack you can prepare in just a few minutes, and it will impress everyone. Enjoy. You've never had popcorn like this before. For this recipe, you'll need aluminum foil. Tear off 2 pieces of the same size. Spread 1 piece on the counter, scatter the popcorn kernels on it, and place a good amount of butter on top. Season with salt to your taste. Cover with the second piece of foil, pressing the edges to seal it into an envelope. Poke a hole in the center with a long toothpick. Now, heat a skillet and place the packet of kernels, butter, and salt on it. The popcorn will cook on its own. Soon, you'll hear the familiar popping sound. Once it stops, remove the packet from the skillet immediately. Wait a moment, then cut open the foil packet. You'll instantly smell the buttery popcorn. This skillet method for making popcorn is easy, and the flavor has never been better. Delicious stovetop popcorn. You can make it in just a few minutes at home. I'm sure you've never made popcorn in foil before. This trick is truly genius. First, spread foil on a pan. Make sure the foil is large enough to hold all the ingredients. Then, pour a cup of popcorn kernels on it. Add 1/3 of a cup of sugar. The sugar will make the popcorn sweet and caramelized. Now, pour in 1/3 of a cup of oil to help the kernels pop evenly. Add 1 tablespoon of butter. The butter will give the popcorn a wonderful, rich flavor. Cover everything with another piece of foil. Fold the edges like a dumpling to create a tight seal. Make sure there are no holes where the popcorn or oil can escape. Now, place the pan over medium heat. Wait for the popcorn to start popping. This will take a few minutes, so be patient. When the popping stops, carefully remove the pan from the heat. Let the foil packet cool down a bit before opening, then gently unfold the foil. Enjoy your hot, sweet popcorn. Add corn to slices of your favorite salami. I'm sure you haven't tried this before. Prepare a large, deep pan with a lid. Pour a small amount of oil into the pan, then add the salami slices. You can choose another type of meat or deli meat if you prefer. Sauté everything over low heat until the salami is nicely browned. Then, add about 1 cup of popcorn kernels to the pan and mix the ingredients well. Cover the pan with the lid, making sure there are no gaps where popcorn kernels or oil could escape. Wait for the popcorn to start popping. This will take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the corn is fully popped, carefully remove the pan from the heat and transfer the mixture into a bowl. The added salami gives the popcorn a slightly salty flavor, but you can add extra salt or any other favorite popcorn toppings. Enjoy perfectly made popcorn with a unique twist. It's a cheap and easy way to make homemade popcorn with a delicious spin.
Stuff the popcorn into the blender. You haven't had popcorn done like this before. This quick and fun recipe involves putting popcorn in a blender. Then pour 2 cups of milk over it. The milk will greatly reduce the volume of the popcorn, so add in a bit more popcorn. After that, pour in the glass of milk again. Then blend the 2 ingredients. After a while, pause and add 60 grams of butter. Resume blending. When the popcorn is completely blended, pour the resulting mixture through a strainer. Make it immediately into the pan. Add 1 cup of sugar to the pan with the mixture in it. Also add 1 cup of powdered milk. Cook over low heat until the powdered milk and sugar dissolve. However, stir all the time as the mass can burn very quickly. Wait until the mixture cools down. After that, pour it into a bowl. Add the whipped cream spray to the bowl, the whole container. Take a mixer and whip the resulting paste for 5 minutes. When the whipping is done, pour it into a glass container. Put it in the freezer overnight. After this time, take it out of the refrigerator. Serve the delicious popcorn-flavored ice cream with waffles and your favorite fruit. Your family will go crazy over them.
No time for long cooking? This recipe is a quick and easy way to make a delicious meal with just a few simple ingredients. Roll the tortilla wraps into a log and cut pieces about 1 inch wide directly over a muffin tray. Place them into the cups one by one and repeat the process until all spaces are filled. Then, tuck slices of mortadella between the tortilla pieces, which makes everything even more flavorful, rich, and satisfying. In a bowl, mix 2 eggs, about 1/3 of a cup of milk, finely chopped parsley, salt, and pepper. Stir everything well until the mixture is smooth and evenly combined. Pour it over the prepared tortillas so all the ingredients come together perfectly while baking. Generously sprinkle grated cheese on top, which will melt beautifully and turn golden in the oven. Place the tray in a preheated oven at about 390 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for around 20 minutes until the tops look nicely browned and appetizing. Once ready, remove the tray from the oven and let it rest for a moment. Your delicious snack is now ready to serve and tastes just as good warm as it does after cooling down. It only takes 2 weeks to grow this grass planter for free. Just sow these seeds and watch them grow visibly day by day. This grass stays green for months. All you need are regular popcorn kernels. Take some potting soil and a large pot with a capacity of about 8 liters. Fill the pot with soil, leaving about 4 centimeters from the edge. Spread the popcorn kernels evenly but densely over the soil. Mist the seeds and soil with a spray bottle. Cover the pot to encourage faster germination. Check it once or twice a day, and water if needed. The soil should be moist but not soaked. Within a few days, you'll see the first green shoots, and more will appear each day. Corngrass grows incredibly fast. After 2 weeks, it will be lush and full, making a beautiful addition to your terrace or garden. A stunning green grass that grows in no time, filling the pot within days.